Hello everyone! In this video we'll be showing you how to make a post public on Facebook on iPhone. So, let's open up Facebook and go to your profile. Go to the post you wish to make public and tap on the three dots on the top right corner and tap on Edit Privacy. And now it says only me, but you can change it to public, friends, friends accept, and specific friends. So we're trying to make it public, so let's tap on public. And there you go, the post is now public. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please drop us a like, leave us a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel for future content. Bye!